You're watching the Weiss channel. So today I'm going to show you confidence interval from a sample proportion. This is different from confidence interval from a sample mean, because with a sample mean, you have to calculate and go to the statistics calculator. Here we don't have any of that. All right. Taking a look at this problem. The opinions of all 350 students at a high school on whether they support candidate A for student body president are shown below. Hide and shuffle all of the values. Take a random sample of 50 values from the population. Based on that sample, find the sample proportion and use that value to create a 90%, 95% confidence interval for the true proportion of the population who support candidate A. Round to the nearest thousandth. Okay. So once again, we're going to click this hide and shuffle values button. Boom. All right. Hiding and shuffling. And we're going to pick 50 values. Once again, you could go click 50 times, or you can just click and hold and just drag it all around and around and around and around until you get to 50 and it says, okay, you're done. You're good. Okay. So now the sample that said yes, the number that said yes is 40. The number that said no is 10. So in other words, we're going to go to the calculator here. I'm going to use a Desmos calculator. And you put in 40 divided by 50. And that tells you 0.8. All right. If I'm going to use 0.8, now this time we're going to use this formula for margin of error. All right. Okay. Using this formula here, once again, Z is 2, okay, because we have a 95% confidence interval. So I'm going to do 2 square root, and I'm going to hit my A or B key here. P is 0.8 times, whoops, I'm going to use parentheses, times 1 minus P. 1 minus P means 1 minus 0.8. 1 minus 0.8 would be 0.2, right? Okay. On the bottom is N. N is going to be 50, okay? Because back here, we had a total sample of 50 values, okay? So 50. So now we've got this 0.11313785. Okay, so now all you have to do is take your 0.8. 0.8, see here, you don't need the mean, okay? And when you're doing a sample mean, you have to calculate and find the mean. Here, all you're looking for is your P. P is the 0.8, okay? So now you're going to take the 0.8, all right? You're going to do 0.8, and you're going to go minus this 0.11, okay? And then you're going to take the 0.8 and go plus that 0.11. And this is going to be your confidence interval, okay, right here. So, and it's said to the nearest thousandth, okay. So, to the nearest thousandth, this is going to be 0.687, right? Because this 8 rounds up this 6 to a 7. So 0.687, and the upper number is going to be 0.913. 0.913. Submit. Yes. Boom. And that's all you have to do for these problems. There's no using the statistics calculator for this. Okay. All right, you've been watching the Weiss channel.